Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the cost integrator to load project accrual journals into Oracle. I've modified my layout to be suitable for the accrual journals that I want to enter. I've utilized the default row to enter in values that I want repeated for all the lines on the sheet. The accrual item flag is set as yes to indicate that the lines on the sheet are accruals. I need to enter a batch name and accrual details that I want loaded into Oracle. You can copy the accrual details from another source and paste it into our accrual template. And now we're ready to upload the accrual journals to Oracle. 10 transactions are now uploaded to Oracle successfully. Now we can use the scheduled processing button to import the journals to Oracle. We're now going to submit the import cost job in order to turn these unprocessed costs into processed costs. A request has been submitted in Oracle. After a few minutes, you can go back to Scheduled Processing button and click on Refresh. The refresh has indicated that all the transactions on the sheet have been accepted into Oracle and has been successfully imported as costs. Now we can download this batch back into our sheet to review what accruals have been created. You need to indicate the download source for where the information is coming from. And since we're interested in the process costs, we're going to select process costs and click OK. As you can see, the 10 transactions have been created and accrual journals have been created for them as well. So for every accrual journal that we've entered for June, there is a reversing transaction also created for that line. And the original transaction reference has been automatically put against the cost at the original cost, and the accrual cost line has its own original transaction reference as well to indicate that it is an accrual line. I hope this demo was useful to you. Thank you for watching.